Hello everyone, I am Shauna. Welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Victoria's Secret content. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the support. I love you guys. I really appreciate you. So in this video, I would like to share the new Victoria's Secret Radiant Fragrance Collection. I have all 4 mists here. I really wanted to smell them because my store doesn't have them, but I wanted to smell them before I went ahead and bought like the body lotion or anything. But let me just say, the packaging was too adorable to resist. I just could not resist it. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's start off with Bare Vanilla. And it is really bright in here today, you guys. I just moved into my new house, and yeah. So I tried to find a location where I could film, where it didn't have too many boxes and that sort of thing. So, but Bare Vanilla is actually my favorite packaging. It almost looks like a cheetah print with blue and bronze. So pretty. I love this. So Brilliant Berries, Passion Fruit Crush, Bare Vanilla gets glowing. And I have not smelled these yet, you guys. There's my doggy Peyton. But let's go ahead and do this because I can't wait. Okay. It's light. Right, Peyton? It's light. He's smelling too. Hold on, let's see here. Okay, this is just really, really light. Vanilla and berries. Yeah, I'm a little disappointed in this. Yeah, I get like I guess more of a passion fruit and vanilla, but there's okay, I was kind of hoping for more vanilla and less passion fruit. And it's very light, you guys. Like, I can barely smell it. So, yeah, the packaging is so cute, but that may be a return for me. Because I can't smell it. So, okay, moving on to Love Spell Radiant. More pretty packaging. And I love the purple top on that. And the last one had a gold top. So they all have different colored tops. But Luminous Mango, Tangelo Fizz, Love Spell gets glowing. Let's see. Okay, that's nice. It smells like the original Love Spell, which I love and men love, and I get compliments because it's bright and fruity and smells like sweet tarts. And this smells like a variation of that, but it's like Love Spell and champagne. That's actually really nice. Yeah, it smells like the original Love Spell, but with champagne, like a sparkling champagne. It's really pretty. Okay, so that one did not disappoint me. I don't know what's been going on with Bare Vanilla lately. I haven't really liked the variations of Bare Vanilla. It's been really weird, and which is odd because I love vanilla, but they're doing other stuff with it that my nose doesn't really care for. Okay, so next is Pure Seduction, and this one has a pink top. And this is Vibrant Pineapple, Pomelo Splash, Pure Seduction gets glowing. Everything gets glowing. Why do I keep saying that part? Okay, so. Okay, I like this. It's like a fresh, it smells like the original Pure Seduction, but it's got like a fresh, bright pineapple pop. It's nice. It's fruity, nice and fruity. It's sort of, okay, the pineapple, it's very citrus. Like, very citrus. But it's nice. I like this. This is like bright, fruity, citrusy, almost like a lemon. I'm almost getting like, sort of like lemon drop. Like, like, um, like lemon concentrate. This kind of smells like lemon concentrate. My nose may be weird. You guys please comment and let me know if you're getting that, but this sort of smells like lemon concentrate with pineapple. Yeah. It's different. If you like lemon, or maybe I'm crazy, maybe it doesn't smell like lemon, but I get like a lemon concentrate. Like that's what I get from that. Like the concentrate that you use to put like on your salad or like in a drink, like that type of lemon concentrate. So the next one is Velvet Petals, and it's got a lilac top, and this is really pretty packaging too. A beautiful flower and leaf on there. Bright Watermelon, Kiwi Burst, Velvet Petals gets glowing. Okay. Yeah, I like this one. It's, where haven't I sprayed? Let's do this. Original Velvet Petals, like that, the pretty floral, but it's got like the fruity pop of watermelon and kiwi. I really like this one. I really like this one, actually. Yeah, this is very fresh. Ooh, yeah, I like this. It's like a pretty floral with like that bright burst of watermelon and kiwi. Yeah, I like this. Okay, so, but it's, am I smelling washing powders? It's so odd because Velvet Petals almost smells like a fresh, like laundry too. Like a really bright floral laundry scent with fruity watermelon. It's strange, but I like this one. Okay, so in order of ones that I like Velvet Petals, Radiant, the best. And then I'd have to say Love Spell. Have to give it up for Love Spell. Yes, that one. And then Pure Seduction. Pure Seduction is third. Yeah, Pure Seduction is third. And then in dead last is Bare Vanilla because I can barely smell it. But it does. I mean, and you know what? If you don't like strong fragrances, this one might work for you because it is just simply like a soft, sweet vanilla with a hint of passion fruit. So, you know, this, if you don't like the stronger fragrances, this may actually work for you. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's just really light. I like really strong fragrances, but it's nice though. When I sprayed it again, for what it is, just like a bare vanilla, like barely there vanilla, sweet, with a hint of passion fruit. So you may like it. Yeah, if you don't mind light fragrances. So that, okay, those were $10 a piece because I got those during a sale. And then they gave me a coupon. Yay. Summer rewards. And you can use these May 12th through May 25th. So we've got a while for this, but it's $20 off a $60 purchase. Yeah, summer rewards there. And then, okay, so they've given me a sample of Bombshell Beach. Got a very voluptuous model on there. She's very curvy. And I love that they're doing that now. You know, look like real people, you know. Okay, so let's smell this. What do I have here? Wait, which one is this? Okay, they give you a sample of the original Bombshell, which I really love that one. And then Bombshell Seduction. Bombshell Passion, Bombshell Intense, but I want to smell Beach. Where did I see that one? Yeah, I want to smell Bombshell Beach. So this one is White Sands, Pink Sunsets, Brighter Days. I'm really curious about this one. Okay, so it really just smells like the original Bombshell. I'm just getting the original Bombshell, you guys. For Bombshell Beach. Let me compare. Yeah, Bombshell Beach just smells like the original Bombshell. Which is fine because I love the original Bombshell. So that's what I have for you. Thank you so much for spending the past few minutes with me. And if you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.